Hello YouTube, this is John from the Gray Man's Budget, and today I'm going to show you how to carry 2 extra needles with your Swiss Army knife. So, make sure it's a good Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and you want to make sure that it has the saw. Saw is the key because that will have space to have a sewing needle with some thread. So the first thing we're going to have is the hand needle, or the sewing needle, and that's going to go underneath the toothpick. Oh, out pops the needle. Needle goes in, and underneath your toothpick, you want to make sure your toothpick goes on top of the needle, so it just slides right in. If it goes underneath the needle, you have some pressure, and that pressure could pop the scales, so you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that it is sliding right under on top, and that needle goes underneath the toothpick. The second needle is underneath your saw. Let's see if you can see it. It's just sitting right there. It's tensioned in by the thread on the head of the needle. Take out your tweezers, push down, and then out pops the needle. Needle comes out, and you got your thread. That's several feet of thread there. You just pop it back in, put the needle down. It's right there. It's not going anywhere. I want to make sure it gets all the way down in there. And it's not going to go anywhere. You close it. Snaps back into place. Pressure of the blade will push it down. Pop back. Needle doesn't fall out. It's in there pretty good. Put your tweezers back. And there you go. Quick little hack. 2 extra needles. All sewing needles. So many uses. And then keep in mind you also have the nice needle right there for you if you need to hold fabric together or do other things. But generally, the 2 needles, one underneath the toothpick and one underneath the saw blade with the thread, is all you need. You can think about the hundreds of uses for those, hundreds to thousands of uses, and you just added those types of usage to your Swiss Army knife. Alright, keep it real, have fun. Till next time.